Dispatch, we got Medic 2 on another run right now. Reports a large amount of black smoke in the area out there.
Report of a small explosion. Respond on TAC 4. 1605 Somerset Road. Cross Streets, Price and Macaulay Boulevard. For the following companies: Engine 16, Engine 21, Engine 25, Medic 21, Engine 2, Ladder 22, Hazmat 1, Medic 1, Battalion 2, Medic Officer 2, Medic Officer 4, Battalion 8, FSO, and Heavy Rescue 51. Report of a small explosion. Respond on TAC 4. 1605 Somerset Road. Cross Streets, Price and Macaulay Boulevard. For the following companies: Engine 16, Engine 21, Engine 25, Medic 21, Engine 2, Ladder 22, Hazmat 1, Medic 1, Battalion 2, Medic Officer 2, Medic Officer 4, Battalion 8, FSO, and Heavy Rescue 51.
Spawning. Engine 16 can see heavy smoke.
Lieutenant 2 is on scene, making our way to the backside of the complex. Looks like we got a large pile of trash. Burning. Lieutenant 2, the first unit coming in. Go ahead and lay your supply line coming in. And second unit coming in, gonna hook up to the supply line and finish it off. Somerset Commander, Fire Ship Commander. Go ahead. Yes, sir, Chief. The premises people here say it's just a big old pile of junk. It's just a pile of trash, but they're unaware of what's inside causing these small explosions. The small explosions are just, they're in the pile itself. They're not spreading the pile. They're not exploding out of the pile.
Ship Commander, Chief. Command 25. We're on scene. Units are laying. There's a plug right at this corner.
Yeah, go ahead and lay the supply in. When you come in here, get ready to use your multi-vessel on this big old pile. Y'all need to find a plug and lay from that plug to the supply, to 25 supply line. Second company coming in, identify yourself, please.
Command, this is Engine 16. We're already on scene.
Good. Thank you for
Find your plug and hook up to 25 line and all that there for
trying to help out.
They're going to be using their multi-vessel. Third company in, identify when you get on scene.
Command, this is Engine 16. We've already passed the next plug, so the next company behind us should catch it.
21, we're on scene. We're going to catch your plug right here at Daly and Somerset.
Engine 2's on Somerset and Price. What do you need to?
All right, Engine 16, go ahead and lay yourself a line there too. And bring it into that gate there. Engine 2, go ahead and hook up 16 with a supply line.
Engine 16 received.
451 to BC2 at command. Just to let you know, we are responding with our dual nozzle platform. We'll let you know when we're getting close.
BC2 Engine 21, could you dispatch this PD unit that's sitting up front of you and block off traffic going south and north? Know what his identification is, but we do need him for traffic control. We got a lot of traffic out here. We got a lot of apparatus coming in.
Yes, actually, Chief. We'll get Pete out there for a small traffic control. Get you as many units as we can, sir.
25 firefighter. Go ahead and open the line, Sergeant. Did you want to drop a line?
Yeah, I want 16 to drop another line and bring it in here.
Good up, 30.
To a plug or anything, I think 25's got their own plug. We're just getting ready to hook up, but you want 25 to keep it, we'll keep it there. We're ready to go. Righty, I want you to check the property on the west side of this complex. Check the property on the west side of this complex to see what kind of exposure funnel we have on the other side of the fence. Command, this is Ladder 22. We're on scene. Staging. And now 16, come on in, lay a line there, and bring it on in.
BC2, this is Engine 21. What side did you want us to check?
Engine 21, I want you to check the west side, on the west side of this property, on the back side of this property. We have the pond is kind of close to a fence. It doesn't look like we have an explosion problem, but I want you to check on the opposite side of the fence on the west side.
21 receiving.
A lot of room if you want to go ahead and just drive straight in. Somerset Command, FSC. FSC, this is Somerset Command. Updates. I don't think we're going to need hazmat on this, and I think that I'm going to go ahead and get rid of some of these bunch of companies. I got to go look at the computer, see who I got coming.
Battalion 8's on scene.
Ladder 22, you're going to have to go over that hose no matter how you look at it.
Ladder 22 receiving.
Command from Battalion 8.
Yeah, it is command.
Command, just let you know Battalion 8's on scene. If you need anything, let me know.
Somerset Command from dispatch.
BC2, this is Engine 21.
Go ahead, Engine 21.
Yes, sir, Command. Over here on the west side of this property, he got it all contained with a sheet metal wall. It's not going to go anywhere. There's 2 trailers towards the end of it.
Sorry, my dispatch. Command to all units on the far ground. All units on the far ground. We have it under control. Yeah, I want all units to go ahead and cancel, with the exception of 25s, 16s, Engine 21, and Ladder 22. All other units can go ahead and cancel at this time. EMS, go ahead and stick on scene there just in case for the rehab.
Water tanker 43 on the, have they gotten down there yet?